I am so sorry. There is no bread today.
It is okay, Mom. I am not very hungry.
I will have food for you tonight, I promise.
I love you, Mom. See you later. I hope nobody asks about my lunch today.
Good morning, everyone. Please sit down.
Look at all the good food I have today.
I wish I had snacks like that. Please open your books to page 10 now.
I hope the boy next to me didn't hear.
She looks very pale and very tired today.
Wow! It is time to eat your lunch, children.
I have a giant ham and cheese sandwich. I must act like I am eating something. This sandwich tastes very good today. Mmm. It is so delicious. Her hands are empty, but she is chewing. I am a very good actor today.
What are you eating today, Mia?
I am finished. I am finished. I ate it all already.
Are you a race car?
Perhaps. Go back to your seat. Thank you, Leo. I must wash away the food that isn't there. The box is open just a little bit. There is nothing inside. It is completely empty. Why are you looking at my things, Leo? I am sorry. I did not mean to look. Please do not tell the other children, Leo. I promise I will not tell anyone, Mia. Teacher, can I ask you a secret question?
Of course, Leo. You can tell me anything.
Mia's lunchbox was empty today, and she was crying.
Thank you for telling me the truth, Leo.
Mom, can you make 2 lunches for me tomorrow? Of course, sweetie.
Are you very hungry lately, my son?
I have a friend who forgets her lunch every day.
I will make the best sandwiches for your friend.
I am still very hungry, but I am okay.
I found this for you. Please eat it, Mia.
We will share it together, Mom. Do not worry.
You are such a kind and brave daughter.
Today, Mia will have a real lunch to eat. Good morning, Mia. It is a nice day today.
Good morning, Leo. Yes, the sun is pretty. Leo has a very big and wonderful heart.
I am going to have pizza for my lunch today. I must wait for the right moment to help. Everyone, please go wash your hands for lunch. Another day of pretending to eat real food. I must be very quick, so no one sees me. I hope she likes apple and peanut butter. I hope she is happy when she sees this. Wait, where did this big sandwich come from? It looks so fresh and so very delicious. Leo, did you leave this food here for me? I think someone forgot their extra lunch on your desk. Thank you so much. I was very, very hungry. This is the best food I have ever tasted.
That sandwich looks very good for you, Mia.
I am not even hungry anymore because she is eating. Wow, that is a giant lunch, Mia. Can I have some? Here, Ben. You can share this apple with me. Thank you, Mia. You are a very good friend.
Leo, come here for a moment. Leo, I saw what you did for Mia today. I just wanted her to be full and happy, teacher. This is for being a true hero in our class.
Wait, I want to tell you something. What is it, Mia? I made this for you. Thank you for seeing me. Wow. Thank you, Mia. I really like it. I will keep this in my room forever, Mia. I have some cookies for us to share today.
I have a special announcement for all students today. We are starting a sharing table in our classroom. If you have extra food, please put it here.
I want to share my chips with everyone today. Now everyone can have a full lunchbox, Mia.
We are a family, and families take care of each other.
Let's all sit together and eat our big feast. I don't have to pretend to eat anymore.
This juice is very sweet and very cold.
Mom, look at all the food the school gave me.
How did this happen? Who helped us like this?
My friend Leo saw my empty box and helped me.
Thank God for friends like little Leo.
I am so full that I cannot eat another bite.
You look so healthy and so happy now, Mia.
Let's play with the big ball on the grass. I am the fastest runner in the whole world.
A small act of kindness changed everything here.
I used to be invisible, but now I am seen. Are you ready for lunch today, my best friend?
I thought my box was empty. But it was actually full of friends.